I'm going to record this session so that you get this masterclass session video.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, Tarun, you're working, huh?
Yes, like I'm working as a test lead in my current
Okay.
organization, so have around like 10 plus years of experience. So want to explore more of the automation tools in the industry.
Okay. Test lead means in that, I mean, in that which specifically I'm asking which tool?
Like major, I actually work as a functional test lead, and where like I was oversees every aspect, like work with the Selenium, Java, like Selenium, Python, and the Gits, everything, the performance
Okay.
thing as well, security like tools.
So you have experience in Selenium.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And where you from?
I'm from Pune.
Oh, Pune. Okay. So where you're working? May I know? I mean, company.
I won't be able to disclose the company name, but
Yeah, it's okay. No
it's
issue.
Chandigarh's company, and majorly like I work in the security domain, identity and access management. That's my domain. So it's more like a, UI based application. So I thought of okay, moving to some tool can explore a tool which needs a less amount of coding and less amount of time to actually think and give more time to analyze and to build a good framework on that. So how,
Okay.
yep, so that's why.
Mm,
So
so, okay. Thank
Mhm.
you, Tarun. And what about Sri Manikanta and Del Ramji?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Myself, Sharma.
Uh,
My
who
name is not. My name
is
is
that?
not that.
Del or Sri Manikanta?
Yes,
Who's
yes, Del, Del.
talking?
Yeah, Del.
Del. I mean, may I know
Uh,
your name? I mean,
yes, yes.
your real name?
Coming to myself, E. Sharma. Am I audible now, ma'am?
Yeah, it's your voice is very low,
Okay.
actually.
Myself, G. Sharma. So,
Sorry,
myself, G. Sharma, ma'am.
Sharmam.
Sharma.
Sharma. Okay, okay. Yeah.
So I have
Can you
around
please
8.
introduce your professional? I mean,
Yeah,
about
I have.
background. Yeah.
Yeah. I have 8 years of work experience in manual and automation testing. So I'm from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. So
You're
I'm
from
working.
Vizag.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. Your voice is very, very slow.
Mhm.
Please speak loud, little.
Is it okay, ma'am? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear my voice now?
Mhm. Okay. You tell me.
Hello.
So
Ma'am,
you
can
where
you
you
hear
from?
me? Hello.
Yeah, Sharma. Where you from?
Yeah, is my voice audible now?
Yeah. Now it's audible and it's perfect.
Okay. I just removed this earphones, so that's the reason. Fine.
Okay.
I'll start my introduction. Like myself, Fajee Sharma. I'm from Vizag. So I have an IT experience in manual and automation tester. I'm working as an in this domain from past 8 years. I have 5 years of manual and then 3 years automation. I worked on Selenium, Java, and Cucumber framework, which is an BDD framework. I'm from.
Mm. Okay. So where you're working, Sharma?
I'm working for Invincible Software Solutions. ISSI is an US based.
Location?
Yeah.
Where is the location?
The location is US, head office is US. I'm working for one of the branch in Vizag, and we have two branches, Hyderabad and Vizag. So I'm
Okay, okay.
in Vizag.
Mm, okay. Thank you, Sharma.
Yeah, thank you. You're
And
welcome.
what about Ramji and Sri Manikanta? Manikanta? Um, Ram.
Hi, ma'am. This is Ramji from Hyderabad,
Yeah.
working as a senior software testing engineer.
Okay.
6+ years of experience I have. I have worked in, worked into functional and non-functional testing, more into manual and performance and security. I have
Okay.
less work with Selenium, automation tools like Selenium and all. Now I want to explore my skills about, without coding, I'm looking for automation. In that way
Okay.
only, I have chosen this session for getting more to explore more things.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Ramji. And Manikanta, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, hello.
Are you there, Manikanta?
Yeah, hi. Can maybe am I audible or not?
No, you're not audible, Manikanta.
I'm audible now. Hello.
Could you speak again?
Yeah, I'm audible now.
Yeah, it's audible now.
Yeah, okay, okay. First of all, good evening, folks. And this is Srimanikanta, and I am working as a manual test engineer. It's been 3 years here in this company. Like I'm working as a manual test engineer, and I have good knowledge on the Selenium Java. So I want to explore my testing knowledge and I want to enhance. So that's why I want to learn some Tosca. I know a little things about Tosca, but I'm not in depth about it. I want to explore more about it. So that is the reason just I want to join in this class.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Manikanta. So, and thank you so much, everyone. So let me introduce myself, and my name is Afroz Begum, and I will be the instructor for this TOSCA automation testing. So thank you for joining us today for this special masterclass on this testing course. And I'm looking forward to walking you through this session, which has the potential to shape the next step in your career. So let me tell about my background. I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineer. So before saying my current field, I want to say something about my background and expertise. So I came from a first non-IT background. I was able to build a rewarding IT career with a great package, but it's all due to the expertise I gained in software testing. And so I am going to share a screen so that I can present my PPT. Is this visible?
Yes.
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah. So first, let me introduce about my academy. So all you know, as you know about eTech. eTech is an online education platform which helps students to learn new skills and which helps them into the IT field. So whatever, I'm proud to represent eTech, a top tier online education platform committed to helping students achieve success. So our TOSCA automation testing course at eTech is specifically designed to prepare you for a career as a non-coding software engineer. So first, let us understand what is software testing, and I will say about the overview of software testing. So that let's start from this point. So all we know that we all already involved in testing, right? We all know about manual testing and what is software testing. We have an idea, and it is a method to sorry. It is a method to check the whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure the software product is defect free. What is this meaning? Our main goal and our ultimate intention is to check the software whether the software is defect free. And the second thing is to need remember is expected requirements with the actual requirements. So this is all about software testing, right? Now there are two types of software testing that we do, and one is manual testing and automation testing. But our main goal is to identify the errors, right? Gaps, missing requirements. In contrast to actual requirements, we need to keep in mind about this main purpose. So let us understand first what is manual testing and automation testing. So our what is I mean, let us understand basically what is manual way. It is the nothing but the human, sitting in front of a system and then manually executing all test cases, right? And but here in the automated way, we create a automated scripts and that script we run in automated way. By run the automated script, we don't need any human interaction between that of any test cases and automatically executes and checks generate reports for us. In the manual way, we have to do manually perform the test cases and then execute all test cases, right? And then perform and then given manual report. So it is like that. And here, two more things to remember in software testing, like white box testing, black box testing. So already we know that, but once again, I'll repeat it once again. White box testing is actually the testing the application, or we can say software, that internal structure of application that we are going to test, right? And in black box testing means we don't do any internal structure or internal problems. We only check for external features. So what that particular software is providing us. And all the features, all the things that we have seen that we do in the black box testing and white box testing of the internal structure. This is the basic intro of software testing, right? And why we need to do a software testing? See, as we know, the software testing is important, but what is the need of software testing? As you can see, the software testing is important because with that we can find bugs, right? And errors, bugs, we can be found as early as possible before we deliver the particular software to the client. And with this software testing, we can easily find the bugs in an application because properly tested software product ensure the reliability, security, and high performance, which further results in time and savings. We can save time and customer satisfaction and customer effectiveness. So this is why the software testing is important. But what is the need of software testing? So why okay? But what is the need of software testing? So as we know, software testing is needed to solve the errors, bugs in an application. But why bugs or errors could be expensive and dangerous? So that is why it is called mandatory loss, human loss. So there are many examples in history of human mankind. So due to software bugs like in 2015, a fighter plane F-35 was not able to target an enemy. So due to software bug. And I will say another example in 1999 April. So something $1 million or were lost in military satellite launch due to software bug. Now this was costliest accident ever in the history just because of a software bug. So, and in 1963 May, the bank account when you take the bank account, 823 people in US got credited. That $920 million. This was again the biggest accident in history of human mankind. So just because bugs are there, so this is why the software errors we need to solve. For that, we need a software team, and the software testing is very important. So let introduce our what is TOSCA automation testing. So let us know first what is TOSCA. So I don't think to introduce about manual testing or software testing because here we came to learn about TOSCA automation testing. So directly I'm going to jump in TOSCA automation testing. Okay, so that's why I said like introduce yourself so that I came to know about your background, about your experience, so that I explained everything based upon your experience. So let's see what is TOSCA means. TOSCA is a software tool used for automation testing. which means it helps check if a software or application works correctly without doing all the testing manually. So it is developed by Tricentis and is very popular. Why? Because see here, no coding. Coding is not required and easy to use. Fast testing. So here you don't have to be a programmer to use it, and it has a very simple and user friendly interface. So we can save time by automating repetitive testing task. So next, my question is, what does TOSCA do? So TOSCA helps you. It can test websites like mobile application, desktop and API applications, like Salesforce applications, anything. And instead of clicking buttons or typing manually, TOSCA performs these actions automatically. And we can find bugs. And see, TOSCA helps find errors in software before it is released to client, or we can say users. So you can use the same test again and again and saving time and effort. But why TOSCA is very important for us? See, it helps companies deliver high quality software faster and reduces the chances of human errors during testing. And we can work with modern technologies and tools used in software development. See, TOSCA is perfect for beginners and professionals because it is easy to learn and very effective. And it is widely used by companies around the world, which means learning TOSCA can open up great career opportunities for you. But we should know how does TOSCA works, right? And what is TOSCA? Already we know that. But how does TOSCA works means TOSCA is a tool that helps test software automatically. Here is how it works in simple steps. So first you should create a test cases. So you tell TOSCA what to check in the software like buttons, text boxes or processes. So this is done using a simple drag and drop method. So no coding is needed. And TOSCA runs your test cases automatically. For example, it can click buttons, fill forms, or check if the pages load correctly. So after running the test cases, TOSCA tells you if everything is working fine or if there are any problems. Any problem is bugs. Once you create a test, you can use it again for similar tasks and you can save time and efforts also. But why should you learn TOSCA? And see, we can save time, okay, and we can what I'm saying, automating test is faster than manual testing. And here, no programming needed. So easy to use for beginners and professionals also. And many companies use TOSCA, so it is great for your career. And it works with websites, mobile applications, Salesforce applications, API applications, desktop applications. So, so first of all, how to start learning? So there is a steps like first we learn the basics. We can first we should understand what testing is and how TOSCA helps, and use TOSCA to create and run simple test cases, and join a TOSCA program, training program to learn step by step. And you can earn a certification like TOSCA automation specialist to show your skill. Okay. So, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what I'm saying here. So, at eTech, we offer a course on TOSCA, one of the most popular tools for automation testing. So, this course is designed for anyone who wants to learn how to test software quickly and easily using automation. So TOSCA is unique because it does not require coding skills, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. And so what you will learn in this course. First, I will introduce about TOSCA tool. So what TOSCA is and why it is important for testing, and how TOSCA helps test different software like websites, web applications, insurance applications. So here there is a topics that we cover like first we creating test cases, like how to design test cases without writing any code, and we can understand how to execute test cases and check for errors, and we can learn to handle and reuse data efficiently during testing, and we can use Tosca to automatically test software and saving time and effort, and learn how Tosca works with tools like Zira and other software development platforms. So work on real life testing projects and practice creating and learning automated tests step by step, and you can solve, common problems you may face while testing. See, if you're new to software testing, this course will teach you the basics and automation. And if you already experience in manual testers, if you are a manual tester, this course helps you move into automation testing roles. For IT professionals, anyone looking to learn a new skill and boost their career. So in this Tosca, no coding needed here. So Tosca is simple to use and doesn't require programming language. And many companies need professionals who know how to use Tosca. So Tosca can test all kinds of software, making it useful for many industries. So what included in this course means step-by-step tutorials on how to use Tosca and hands-on project to practice testing. So I will prepare you for certifications like Tri-Scientist Tosca Automation Specialist. So after completing this course, you can work as automation test engineer, quality assurance tester, software testing consultant. So at eTech, we can make sure you learn through practical experience and expert guidance. By the end of this course, you will be confident in using Tosca and ready to start or grow your career in software testing. Okay. And at eTech, see, we offer Tosca course designed to help you learn software testing with ease. And already I'm in last session, I will tell you. See, just a minute. See, I believe in making classes interactive. So I encourage questions and discussions. So please don't hesitate to speak up if something is unclear. I expect everyone to actively participate, complete assignments on time, and contribute to a respectful learning environment. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you. And I hope we can create a great learning experience together. Feel free to ask questions if you have any concerns or ideas. Okay. And I will give our numbers to listen to the success stories from past students who have successfully transitioned into the IT industry after completing this course. So you can get info like their achievements, highlights, and effectiveness of our training and about testing also. And so let me introduce first. So as you know, the salary packages. Do you have any idea about salary packages and all? About if you join as a TOSCA automation tester, do you have any
No,
idea?
no, ma'am.
Or you want
No,
me to ask? You sorry,
no, no, ma'am. No idea.
no idea. So as of my knowledge, the average salary package for an automation engineer in India with a 3 to 5 years of experience typically range from around 7 lakhs to 11 lakhs per annum. So, however, please note that these figures can vary based on factors such as the company size, location, industry, specific skills, and economic conditions like salaries may have changed since then due to various factors like economic conditions, demand for automation engineer, and other market forces. I recommended checking the latest data from reputable sources like job portals, industry reports, or reaching out to recruitment agencies for the most up-to-date information
Ma'am,
on salaries in this field.
ma'am,
Yeah.
1 minute. You're telling about automation, your salary package, or otherwise task after completing task package
Not TOSCA. My salary packages when you um,
for
if you want
automation.
to move switch in TOSCA domain. So that time you will discuss with the HR, right, about salary.
But now itself, for automation with Selenium only, uh, we are getting above 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs range in between.
Yeah,
So,
but this is as I that's why I said in starting, like as of my knowledge, okay, 3 to 5 years
mhm,
experience. So we can get see it depends on company. Okay, so in companies
okay,
like Infosys, like TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, so you can expect 10 lakhs. Okay, with counter offers, it can go up to 11 lakhs per annum. So that's why
okay,
you can I mean you got it right what I'm saying.
yeah,
So
got
in companies like Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, you can expect 12, 13 LPM.
it.
And if
Okay,
you already you have a offer with the counter offers, it can go up to 15 LPA.
okay,
And Morgan Stanley, right, JP Morgan. So
yeah,
you can expect 20 plus. So it based on company. So I have worked in right now I'm working in like product based company. So see, that time I have experience just 3.5 years of experience. So this is my personal. Uh, I mean, I'm sharing with you actually.
okay,
Um, just 3.5 years experience. I just have that time. I just got 14.5 lakhs per annum because this is product based company and that standards based on standards company standard salary packages they offered me like 14.5. Okay, and in
okay,
companies like Microsoft, Google, Amazon, you can expect 30 plus. Okay,
okay.
and see, you take a right decisions. What is that? I mean, which company is great for you and which one is perfect for you. And I will tell you more about Tosca automation tool. Okay, so this will so that you know about TOSCA automation tool. What is that? I took some screenshots. Okay. Is that visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. See, first of all, Tosca is one of the popular testing platform, which is developed by Tricentis, right? It accelerates testing with a no-code approach and scriptless for end-to-end automation. So this tool is used for both functional and regression testing. And it also supports graphical user interface, command line interface, application programming interface. So the main advantages and important features is it is fast execution and capable of continuous testing approach. And it also supports agile methodology. So we can decrease regression testing time and we can maximize its maintainability and reusability. And it has, I mean, the Tosca has ability to integrate with the third party tools like Zira tool. So just we discussed in earlier. So test development is easy as it follows a scriptless test automation. And here are multiple features in one tool, and it is completely scriptless automation. And it supports multiple platforms, and it is drag and drop functionality, easy to learn, and user friendly graphical user interface. There are main components of Tosca. Here, Tosca Commander, Tosca Executor, Tosca Xscan, test repository. So, and in that, so this is whatever you are seeing, right? This is a Tosca Commander window. So when you open Tosca tool, first you will see like this. This is Tosca Commander. Under that, I mean, when you enter in Tosca Commander, so there is when you just left side, you can see recent projects. First step, advanced examples, Tosca training, Tosca batch, right? You can see here. So I mean, when you entered in this is this is a project which I have created for different batches. So when you entered in one batch, you can see Tosca Xscan, Tosca Executor. So these all you will see. And there are different sections available in TOSCA, like requirements, test case design, test cases, modules, execution, issues. I will explain everything in this session only, but I will give a brief explanation about this TOSCA. Okay, first of all, let us understand what is TOSCA Commander. So it is one of the essential part of this tool for developing, managing, and analyzing test cases. Okay, so that's why it is the core backbone of the TOSCA test suite. It is used for creating projects. And this TOSCA Commander built with different sections, like as before said, such as requirement, modules, test case design, execution, and so on. Okay, and in that you will see TOSCA XCAN. TOSCA XCAN means that is also one window. When you want to test the application, first you will go to module section. Okay, in that module section, you will scan the application, and after that, one window will open. That is XScan window. It is used for, TOSCA XScan window used for scanning input fields. Okay, and save the information as module. So TOSCA Commander. So and TOSCA Executor. So what is the TOSCA Executor means? It is used for executing the test cases that have been developed under system and on system under test, and the test repository. So that is used for saving all the workspaces like test cases, test objects. In order for several testers to work at the same time, the test repository is necessary.
Excuse
So
me.
I will, sorry,
Your screen is frozen actually.
sorry,
First
I don't know.
screen is visible.
It's a
Is
that's a screenshot, I guess, right?
this is a screenshot actually?
Yeah.
Actually, you're talking something about modules and tests. Okay, so I thought you are
Yeah,
holding those things.
I will show you. Okay, this is a screenshot actually. I have taken that. So this is a when you entered in Tosca Commander, right? This is a module section. Okay, see. After you entered in module sections, you will see like this on the uh, top of the Tosca. Okay, so this is a project home view tools. Like you can when you open that application, right, you will see like this. And here there is a sections already module test cases, test case design, execution, scratch book, and first I will show you what is the module. So this is when you open this module section. You will see here, this is a module folder and this is a module. This is a test case design. I will explain everything. Okay. First of all, module means module in Tosca Commander contains technical information that is used to steer text objects. So whenever we create a test case, right, for a text object, we need to create a module in Tosca Commander only. This is a Tosca Commander for each functional unit of the object to be tested. Okay. And when this is a not execution, this is test case. So this is technical components of any test cases are saved here. Okay. And this is after that test case design, the test data which are required to execute any specific test case can be kept in test case design only. This approaches helps to manage test data in efficient and dynamic way. And this is execution section. So test execution management can be done through this section only. So we can define execution list and analyzing the execution logs to investigate any issues. So apart from this, there are any, requirement section, issue section, reporting also. So I will explain later. In that, there are different types of modules available in Tosca. Okay. And there are predefined modules like standard modules and user defined modules. And standard modules is the type of, see, I'll explain you. So I will show you actually, this is a Tosca tool. Okay. You can see here, there is a standard module, right? If you open that, T-box automation tools, T-box extensions, test data service. So what happens? Standard this we can call as standard modules. Standard modules are the default modules which comes by default, and we can use directly them whenever needed in our test cases. So we can you can see here T-box automation tools. There is a basic window operations, and we can use anywhere in our when we needed in our test cases. You can see open URL, T-box wait, close browser, and so on. And user defined modules. What is the user defined modules means? Um, So user-defined modules are the application-specific module which will be created by test engineers according to the requirements. And Scratchbook. Scratchbook means it is used to perform trial runs while creating the test cases. And it allows us to execute the scripts in test case folder level. So test case level and test step level. So test case means this is a test case. Sorry. This is a test case folder. Okay, and this is a test case. Okay, and this is a test step. So what I am saying, this is a folder, this is a test case, and this is a test step level. So Scratchbook displays the flash status of execution, and the execution status will not be stored anywhere. Okay, but if we close the Scratchbook status, whatever you execute the test case, right, it will show in Scratchbook. Okay, you can see the results of execution here only, and the execution status will not be stored. If we close the Scratchbook status window, we cannot see those results again. If you want to, if you want to see the results again, just again you need to execute once again. Okay, and you can execute an execution also. That is the different process. But when you first enrolled in testing, you will know about, I mean, all about these things. So first thing I want to know, see, the difference means what is, I mean, difference in executing the test cases from Scratchbook and execution list. See, if we execute the test case from the Scratchbook, we will just see the flash status. And once the Scratchbook is closed, we can't check the status again, and we cannot download the execution report in Scratchbook. But if we execute from execution list, we can keep track of execution status, and we can also download the reports, and we can also verify the screenshots in the reports. Okay. And see, there is an option like we can execute like test cases.
So Scratchbook will be more like a trial run, if you can say.
Yeah, trial. See, here we can execute this just going to right click and in runs in Scratchbook. Okay, you
Mhm.
can see the results here also, Scratchbook, and you can execute in execution section also. But what is the difference between you? Just to make sure what is my test case, it is executed or not, just
Mhm.
trial run. Okay, if you want to see, you can execute in Scratchbook. If you want to save the data, I mean execution log, execution status, so and we can also download the reports, and we can also verify the screenshots. So that time you can execute, we can run in execution section. Okay,
Okay.
and here we maintain tested data. Okay, and here's a lot of tested data I have already created here. This is a sample. I mean, right now you will not understand this. What is that?
Yeah, you
Okay,
can
this is
get
a,
into the basic structure.
yeah, this is the tested data actually I have created.
Mhm.
By using this tested data, we can change the data as my requirement. Okay, it is completely as per the requirement. I can change anything here. I can I already told you, right? We can use the same test cases and same test data. We can execute again and again. We here we I mean we don't require any manually entered. I mean typing anything. We don't show any much efforts. So it's not like manual testing, it's completely automation. So just write the scenario, just mention your data, and you can change it.
Excuse
So
me.
see, this is a big, huge topic, and you will know because I just explained in middle of the concepts, and
Yeah,
you will not.
excuse me. Hello. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, so it's okay.
Yeah, actually, I just want to know one thing in Tosca. Before this creation of the project, like test cases and modules and execution of this from the scratchbook, first we need to like whenever we are trying to scan the objects, how to make unique of that. Can you please tell me that?
Unique.
Huh.
Yeah,
Actually, we have different types of checkboxes at the right side. So, what are the important checkboxes to be selected to make it unique?
yeah, I'll show you. Okay, see, first of all, we need to scan the application. Okay,
Yep.
this is the
Correct.
scan. First I need to open one application like Tricent is already showed me. I mean, they provide us one trial application.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the web application. Okay, and this is the tool, right? And what I'm going to create, we can just scan the application here. Since Xscan window is open, this is the Xscan window. Here already Xscan, right? You can see it is used for scanning input fields and save the information as module for TOSCA Commander. I'm just showing one example. Okay. So here, just select demo web shop, whatever Um, here Windows or whatever I have opened right in my laptop. So just select that application and click on scan. Okay. So for example, in my requirement, okay, here like register, login, shopping cart, there is a scenario that I am going to work. Okay. And just to select it on screen, there are two types of methods, just drag and drop, and you can select here directly, or you can just select on screen, just select register, login, shopping cart, this list, text box, such. Okay. And you will see here. So this is already unique. You can see the selected item is unique, right? So you can see when I click on register, this is there is a properties of particular control. There are representation parameters, technical parameters, transition parameters, but here we can't, we should not use representation parameters and transition parameter. And we can focus technical properties like see by default already in the text and type already checked, right? If I remove this, what happened? The
So
selected
actually,
item is not unique and it's
this,
done in yellow colors.
yeah, correct. Actually, this is what I want to ask you a question here. So if we want to make it unique, what are the actual different checkboxes are available here? So what are the checkboxes are important to select if you want to make it unique? Just I want to
So
know.
class name, the best practices is class name,
Class
ID,
name.
tag,
Hello.
sorry.
So what is it? What did you say?
So class name
Okay.
here, okay, class name,
Okay.
ID,
Okay.
tag,
Okay.
and least preference, inner text,
In the
outer
text.
text. Okay. So when I clicked on class name, just see it is unique because it becomes under best practice. And you can go with ID also, but here there is no value. So you should not, you won't, you can't select it. And tag already checked. And you can also, inner text also, you can check it. Outer text also, you can check it. Okay. And if it is, there is if ID has a value, then you can check it ID also. So it is not mandatory to select only one or two technical properties. You can check many. You can check class name, ID at a time also. So it is not mandatory only one or two to check, and you can make them as unique.
So, like,
But best practice,
sorry,
yeah,
even though if it is unique, should we select rest of the checkboxes?
yeah, sure. That's why I'm telling you. Even though if it is check-in, see, already I removed. See here login. What is that? By defaultly inner text and tag.
Hmm.
Defaultly checked, and it is unique. And there is no matter. I checked class name. I checked. ID. Whatever I want. Okay. But our ultimate goal. What is our ultimate goal is to make unique. Okay. So whatever you do. So there is a kind of methods to make them as unique. If it is not working with identify by properties, then go with another methods are there. Identify by anchor method, identify by index, identify by index. So you will know all about in further session. I will show you what is that option. So see, identify by, and actually you are in identify by properties. If it is not working with identify by properties, you check everything. Class name, ID, inner text, outer text, tag, everything you are tried. But after that also you failed. Okay, it's not unique. It's not becoming unique. Just go through with anchor method. Anchor method is like this type.
Can you
Just
please,
selected the
excuse
pair.
me? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you please scan the left side objects so we can get the non-unique identifiers, we can get it clear.
Left side objects.
Left side on the screen. If you can click on the
Yeah.
click on screen, means
This
select
one,
on screen. No, 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 no. I'm asking you to scan. I'm asking you to
you
scan.
scan the controls.
No, yeah, yeah. You can scan the controls and click on the select on screen, and you can see the different things like categories from the left side of the screen.
Yeah. That will
So,
not unique.
if you can click
It
on
will show
those,
you that will not unique.
yes, yes. So if you can click on those, then it will be non-unique elements will be displayed. So we can easily get to know what to select and what not to select like that.
So so I know this application. That's why I will say clearly this is not unique. If you say this, if you identify these controls, it will definitely it will show you like unique. But if you
Okay.
click on that categories uh, controls, it will show you it's not unique. But at that time, you should do whatever. See, if you click on that books, you can check properties. So inner text also, tag also there, but it's not becoming unique. So class name, what is that best practice? Class name, but there is no value. ID, there is no value. Inner text, okay. Outer text, no. Again, it's not showing unique. So already you have tried everything, right? And it is not working with the properties. So what you will do, just identify by anchor method. Go to identify method. Okay. So here you just take a parent control information. Okay.
Okay.
So can I show you one example or what you
Yeah,
want
you
me to
can
continue?
you can you can continue like this. Like I just want to know how it works. Like
Yeah.
if we can take a parent and child and everything. So just I have a small doubt here. So just want to clarity.
See, if the identification of the controls are not unique with the properties, then we can use anchor identification method.
Okay.
So already we saw whether the properties which are there are the controls becoming unique with the properties which are available. But even though if we use the properties and if the controls becoming unique, if the controls are not becoming unique, then you can use anchor method. But my question is, how do I decide that I need to take the help of this control? So the definition of anchor method is identifying a control with the help or reference of another control. Okay, that is called identify by anchor. If the control is not becoming unique, take the help of another one, then it's a common dot, right? So whose control support you will take? You need to know that whose support you are going to take is also the main consideration point. And see, any control which is unique should be stable. I mean, whatever the control that you're using, at least you should know that, okay, this control will not be changing at least for 3 to 4 months. So I can take the help of this control so that at least my work will be completed till nothing. After that, I can see the another help or whatever it might be. And see, when I'm trying to create a module and identifying the controls, I will be identifying by default with the properties like class name, ID, inner text, outer text, even after using all these properties. And I told you our main intention is to make them easy because scripts will be stable. So what I'm doing here to make them unique, just to select on that. Already I had identified the anchor method, right? So I'm thinking that, see, if I select a demo web shop, okay, um, will you consider as a stable control? I mean, parent control.
I
I mean,
didn't.
demo web shop,
Sorry.
Sam. I mean, if I select this one,
Okay.
demo web shop name title, there is a
Okay.
title, right?
Yep.
If I take this help of this control to make them as unique,
No, no.
did you think like this is a stable one?
No, both are different, right? Even we didn't scan that demo web shop.
Yeah, demo web shop title, maybe in future, okay, there is a chances to change, right?
Yes, yes, correct.
Yeah. So that is my point actually. So I can't take the help of this because
Okay.
what happened if the image get changed after 1 month, if the application has been uplifted, new version has come, if they change the image or title or text, again, it will not be unique. So probably you need to understand here when you are taking the help view, I mean, you need to visualize which will be the most stable. Okay. So my, I mean, my intention is, my opinion is register, login, shopping cart, wishlist is the stable one. So register is the most common and stable thing will be there. If the application, whatever the application might be, how the user interface changes, or the image changes, or the title changes, register will be the common procedure. Whenever you open the application, first you will see the register, login, logout, everything, right? So what I'm trying to do in this example, I want to take the help of this register. Just see, here, select on screen, register, select on screen. Disable this option. Just see what happened. The target control was successfully identified. Click the select on screen button to select another control, anchor control on the screen. So here what happened? The selected item is unique, right? So you see the books white in color. Saying that the selected item is unique. It can be unique with the properties by using anchor method. So this is the property image and this is
Uh,
anchor method.
what
So
did you
it can be
do?
unique.
Have you clicked on somewhere or just you drag and drop?
You can do drag and drop and you can do select on screen.
Okay,
So here
select
there
on
is a
screen.
select on screen to
Uh,
identify these controls.
okay,
And when I click on, just I have selected this one,
okay,
okay, and I selected identify the anchor method,
okay,
okay. And again, what I'm doing here, there is a select on screen.
okay,
There is I'm going to click on that. I was thinking like this is login option is a stable one, okay.
okay.
And again, disable this option. You can see here. See, this item is unique,
It became unique. Okay.
right?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Yeah. I don't think about others, they are able to understand or not, because this is the middle. This is also a third session. Second or third session that we need to continue this topic.
To be frank, ma'am,
Yes, actually.
I didn't understand anything what you said up to this time. Scanning. and select screen, because my automation is different and anchor tags and something you are showing scanning. I didn't understand anything more.
Okay. So this is a session. I mean, when you entered in main sessions, right? So this is I will tell you in second or third class. So already he knows who's that name. I don't know.
Prasad, yeah, this is Prasad.
Yeah. So you already know, right? And others, the rest of the people don't know. So
Uh,
I just show you the simple. I mean,
I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry about the guys. Actually, a little I have some awareness about this Tosca, but I have some. I want to explore the things by e-tech. So I just want to know what are the different things I can learn from this organization, and I want to get it done.
Yeah, I
So
can understand, my dear gentleman. You have some knowledge, but thing is, you can understand, right? We are from Selenium background, so when you are saying some
yeah,
tags and all these things,
yeah,
I'm not getting this.
I'm also aware of Selenium and Java,
Okay.
and I can understand that. So, okay, ma'am, you can continue. Not an issue. Sorry to
It's
interrupt you guys.
better like if
yeah,
Afsal,
it's okay.
like you can tell us what's the like agenda will be there rather than like we giving you some things to discuss. It
So
will be
I just
all
want to show you this. I
yes, like
wanted
it was
to
going
about
better
this.
till there, but then somewhat like after scanning I just lost it.
Me
It's
too.
okay.
Me too.
Uh, shall I continue?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure. Like the basic idea of like as per master class, I was aware like this will be a master class and you will be showing us the basic details, what we can achieve and what we can learn from this
Yeah.
session, and like if we opt for the full module training, so what we can actually get it from there. So that's was I was
So
thinking.
that's why.
Yeah,
So
yeah, you
see,
can
as
continue.
my
Yep.
yeah, previously I have attended a master class also. So I just I just the basic importance of TOSCA and what we are doing here. Just I'm theoretically showing that information, but they don't understand. So this time I was trying to show you the directly. I'm going to show you directly tool. Okay, and I want to explain here only what is the importance of this TOSCA and what we are doing here.
Yeah, this is better.
Okay.
Like giving the walkthrough of the application, actual application that we'll be working on, and giving the hands-on. So that this is good. So
Yeah, theoretically, you don't understand, right? And previously, people also not
yes,
able
yes,
to understand what
ma'am,
I'm trying to say.
I have something. Can I just give you some suggestion?
Yeah.
Yeah, please. While writing in Selenium, right? I used to write in Cucumber feature files using BDD framework. So for login page, simple login page. So I used to create one feature file. After that, I have to write pages class, creating methods. And after that, we will call we will call that methods in step definitions. So
Mm.
the login page automation is done. Like this in Tosca, how we can do? Just can you just go through that like that so that I can get some idea and others, my friends also. Am I right,
Yeah.
guys?
yes, yes, yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Thank you.
See, first of all, uh, this is a TOSCA tool and it is a German application. Okay. And it can be developed by Tricentis company. Tool name is TOSCA. Okay. And see, it is developed because, I mean, end-to-end automation. So requirement and from end to end means requirement analysis, test execution, reporting, closure. Okay, we all know about the software development life cycle. Okay, but Selenium we should use the different tools like requirement analysis, defect tracking for Jira tool, reports for report test MG, right? For automation Selenium. But Tosca, it is a single platform. I mean completely STLC phases you can see here, and it is called as end-to-end automation platform. Okay, and it uses model based technique testing technique. So if you see other automation tools, there is no particular model. We just simply write code and we are going to execute it, that code. But in Tosca, it's completely no code and scriptless. But what we will do, whatever we want to do, the automated of the application, then first we scan and create the module. Okay. And we will arrange the modules in a sequence manner and executed it. If we want to complete the test case, then we need test data. Here we save the test data and the test information like application properties. We save separately in different sections. At the time of execution, we combine these all technical info during the test execution. If in any case, if there is a change in application, we don't need to change the test case. We can go and change in technical info. And if we miss any logic, then we can change in test logic. First, we need to scan the application here from, already you see here, right? If we want to do any changes, then first you take the required module and change it, which is necessary. Automatically, it will reflect all across the project. No need to change every time. We can save time by using this tool. And within time, we can complete the entire automation testing. This is TOSCA Commander, where we create, execute, and organize in TOSCA Commander. First, we plan, then we will write the test cases. We develop the test cases and executed them. And that reports like test summary result report generated in this TOSCA Commander. So once we install this TOSCA in our system, then you can get it. Once you enter the TOSCA Commander, then you will get different sections for every task. It will be like STLC phases, very similar. If we can see the different sections in TOSCA, what are those? So modules, test cases, test case design, and execution, scratchbook. There are different sections like here issues, reporting, requirement. There are different sections are there. So it is very similar to STLC. First, when we want to create a project, the simple thing is here you create a project first. Okay. So as soon as when you create a new workspace and this window to create a new project, whatever you want to work upon. So in this, there are multiple, if you see here, if we want to create a new workspace, there are multiple inputs we need to give. In these multiple inputs, we will see what are the different kinds of workspaces here. Single workspace, and we can connect with the database. Not, right now we don't have any database to connect with that. Okay. And we should create a single workspace. And when you entered in TOSCA, whatever we have created, just a minute. This is a workspace I have created for new batch. Okay. This is the modules that I've already created and we already go through with these modules. First, we will create the modules here. Okay. And am I clear? Because you're so the all you.
Yeah, I understood.
Yes.
So first, we are going to start automation with these modules. So module, what is the modules means? It is a group or collection of attributes. So basically attributes are nothing but controls, objects, whatever the terminologies you want to speak, you can say. So modules contains technical information which is present in the application. So by creating a module, and I'm going to grab or collect the technical information of the objects or attributes which are present in the application. But why we need to create a module? So the TOSCA automation tool does not require any coding language or scripting language. If I don't write any coding, if I don't write any scripting, then how will I do automation? I can do automation to have a something right to do the automation. So modules of the application will be created instead of scripts and any coding language. I'm just going to create a module of the application, and it means how the application will be reacting in the runtime. Runtime behavior of the application, that is called module, and how the application will react. So just you can scan the application and you can create here modules with by using that module, we can create the test cases here. So already we created the test cases and we're going to execute these test cases. Okay. Just right click on that and executed in Scratchbook. Okay. And Scratchbook, I will explain later how, and I mean, what is this purpose and what is this purpose and everything I explain. And by using that test cases, we can create test data. And with the help of test data, and we write different scenarios and executed in execution section. So everything will be going like similar only, like whatever you have told, like Selenium, but there is a different procedures and process. Okay, this is not like Selenium. It's completely different. I mean, when you compared with the Selenium testing, okay, it's not like mm, what you have created. I mean, in your mind. Did you understand? I just wrote some brief explanation of this TOSCA. You will see the different scenarios. Okay,
Yes, yes, yeah.
yeah. And any doubts? Any
Ma'am,
queries?
yeah, ma'am, in TOSCA, right? Usually, in my daily task for working in any project, starting with test cases and user stories. So, do we have any user stories facility like this in TOSCA? And coming to test cases, right? We do use some format like test cases, some test case ID, test case description, and test case expected result and accept ac actual result. So
Mm.
how it can be done like while running these test cases? Is that will be come in that format, or we have to choose any format like this?
Other, yeah, we can choose other tools like Jira tool.
Mhm.
So see, I'm using right now Jira tool. In my experience, okay, right now I'm working right. I'm using Jira tool, but when we are going to test the application, that I'm using Tosca tool. But whatever you have to write user stories, user, I mean, requirement ID, and when we want to raise the defects, so
Mm.
all we have done in Jira tool only. But here also we can do, but there is a sections like say requirements, whatever we are doing here. We stored, I mean, requirement ID, user stories, whatever we have created here. Okay, and here test planning, it will be going on in test planning here. Reporting, okay, here reporting, we whatever we issues, what we get bugs, so what we found the bugs right here, so we can rise here.
Okay.
So we can see, I mean, we can attach the screenshots, execution status, I mean, execution what logs. So everything here we can do here only. So there is every sections are available in this. So you can do everything in one platform.
Okay.
But see, but in my, I mean, it depends on project, right? My client wants to raise the defects in Jira tool only, then I'm using Jira tool only. Okay. But if the client wants to raise everything in Tosca, then we can use here only. So I'll explain everything, reports, how requirements we are doing, like test planning, everything I'll explain.
Okay.
Okay.
And one more doubt, ma'am. Like Selenium, we have reports, so extent reports, we generate HTML reports as well. So do we have any reports section like this in Tosca?
Yeah, we have a reports, right? Reporting section there is a. We can download the reports and we can verify the reports also.
Okay.
Test summary reports.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Manikanta.
yeah. Actually, I have one doubt.
Yeah,
Apart from this SA1 and SA2, what else
yeah.
I can learn through Tosca? Means in this session, like which is going to be happen in the next week or something. So in the 40 days or 30 days, apart from this SA1 and SA2, What else they can learn?
So actually, that is not SA1, AS1.
Oh, sorry, AS1, AS1. Sorry.
AS1, AS2, that is TOSCA specialist
Yeah.
1 and 2. And
Okay.
that is what I'll go with whatever we have discussed right earlier. Scanning application, and we created modules and we created test cases that is related to AS1 and AS2. So
Okay.
whatever I have explained, that is completely related to AS1 and AS2 concepts.
Okay.
And after this course, you can easily certified with AS1 and AS2.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, what I'm trying to say, do you like, is there anything related to API? Do you cover these things here?
API.
API.
So see, I'm not part of API, but I know the small concepts only. If you want me to cover also, then I can teach you.
Oh, okay. No, no.
But in my,
What my question is, do you like, in this Tosca, can we automate APIs as well?
yeah, sure. API. That's why I'm saying here
Yeah. Can
in
we
my
can we
PPT.
yeah,
Yeah.
can we cover the topic in these 45 or 30 days or 45 days?
No, I'm not. That API concepts is not involved in this Tosca concepts.
Okay.
Okay. Uh, because that is another. It will take. It's not 2 or 3 sessions. Okay. API testing is a very huge
Mm.
concepts.
Mm.
So now I'm doing web applications and insurance application that I'm taken. I'm showing how to do the testing with that applications. And
Okay.
API testing, I just have uh, basic knowledge. That's it. So I'm not mm, part of this
Yeah,
API
understood.
testing
Understood.
concept. I'm not showing. Yeah.
Yeah, understood. Thank you.
Yeah. Anyone? Tarun Sharma.
Um, no, from my
No,
side.
ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
anyone
just one
else?
question. Yeah, just one question. Like you also said that it's like we can integrate it with mobile, like one said API as well. So, uh, for in Selenium, like we have different wrappers to perform this. Like all can do in this only, like API, mobile, web application, automation, everything from Tosca. Is
Yeah,
it?
everything we can do with the
Okay.
Tosca. Mobile application, desktop applications, SAP applications, Salesforce applications,
Okay.
and API applications, mobile, everything we can do with this Tosca.
Okay. Okay.
But I'm the part of web applications and this type of applications that I'm working right now.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mostly a
since, I mean,
UI-based application automation will be learning in this training, right?
yeah, UI based. Oh,
Web-based,
yeah, right.
web-based.
Here, yeah, web applications and insurance application. There is one another application, vehicle insurance application.
Okay.
Okay, and that is one, and I took that. I have taken that example, and I will
Mhm.
show you how the test that application also.
Okay. Okay. All
Can
right.
we cover data driven here, ma'am,
Yeah,
in this
data
course?
driven is nothing but tested case design. What are you asking?
Yeah, my question is, can we automate the data from the Excel sheet which is there in our system? Can we collect
Yeah,
and can we pull the data and can we input here like the test
yeah,
cases?
we can collect input whatever you have data right in Excel. We can pull the data in Tosca, and we can use PDF also.
Okay.
PDF, Excel.
Okay.
So that concepts also involved in this Tosca training.
Okay.
Ma'am, Selenium, right? Selenium is an open source. So is this is not an open source, right? Like it's an costliest affair, right? Tosca. So we cannot
So
download.
costly. Yeah. See, this Tosca tool, right? This is a trial version tool. It's similar, very similar to real environment. Okay. So
Mhm.
Tycent is they provide us for training purpose only. There is a trial version, and it is not paid tool. Okay. So see, in companies, they want to they want to do a project, so they have to pay. But here there is a trial version, and we can install in your machine, okay, and you can do
Okay.
whatever you want, and you can work on that.
Okay.
So it
Mhm.
there is a validity like people saying normally 28, 2 months, not 28, 2 months validity. But
Mhm.
trust me, I'm using this tool like from last 5 to 6 months.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, with the trial version,
The
you mean?
trial version, this is a whatever you have seen, right? This is a trial version. Trial version
Okay.
means uh, it's like a real TOSCA tool, like whatever you have worked. When
Yeah,
you
with the
enter
limited
in real
functionality, like with the limited things will
It is,
be there.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. So 2 months, people generally saying 2 months, but I'm
Okay, okay,
using from last 5 to 6 months.
okay,
So
okay, okay,
it's working since 5, 6 months. I'm using this tool, and it's not
okay,
no, there is no limited.
Okay.
okay, okay, okay. That's good then.
Yeah,
Yeah, you can tell us that as
Ma'am, what
well.
is the latest version are you using now?
this is the version of 16.2. Okay, but you
Okay.
should not say in interview like 16.2 that I'm used. You should say like 15.2.
Okay.
Okay,
Why, ma'am?
why means this is latest one, right? So
Okay.
that's why you should not say like that. So if you said like a 16.2 version, then the interviewer will came to know like, okay, this is the person only just trying the concepts of TOSCA, not hands-on experience.
Mhm.
Not
They
a working
easily come to know.
experience. Yeah,
Hmm?
Okay.
Yes, yes, you are right.
yeah, yeah. Got
Yeah,
If we
this is
say
latest one, right? There
yeah,
is more and
you are right. If we say 15 point version, that time they will come to know that this guy is worked on Tosca.
yeah, right,
Yeah.
exactly.
So 15th version is using in the companies and 16th version is using trial version.
Yeah,
Oh, great.
yeah. And any queries?
So
it.
what would be the course duration, ma'am?
40 to 45 days, and depends on your
Mm,
pace. Like if you have any doubt sessions also, we
okay.
can attend.
So this will be a weekly, weekly.
Not a
Not,
weekdays, Monday to Friday.
okay, okay, 5 days,
Yeah,
right?
Monday to Friday, and timings, it completely depends on you.
Okay, all right.
Okay, morning session, evening session, anything. I'm okay
Okay,
with it.
okay, all right, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any queries?
I guess
As of
no.
now, we are good to go. And we are very happy to attend your class. The
Mm.
way you explained is, I like that way very much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank,
definitely we'll get back to you.
thank you, ma'am. Me too. Same. Nice class.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah. So, do you have any contact number to, I mean,
Yeah, actually,
I do not have the contact number, I guess. We
I'm
just have
writing in
that.
chat box.
Yes, yes, sure,
Please.
sure.
970. This is the contact number.
Um, I guess this is the
Mm.
one, that's for the WhatsApp number, right? This is the same one?
I think so. Mm.
Just a moment. I just check.
So, there
Yeah,
is
this is
an
the
email
same.
ID
Yeah, that's the
I'm
same.
sending right now.
Okay. So do you have any LinkedIn page or somewhere apart from Insta? Do you have any LinkedIn page? Can you share that link if you have that? Anyway.
Yeah. Right. Wait. I'll share with you.
Yeah.
Technologies. This is an email ID.
Okay.
You can check it with this email ID. Okay.
Okay. Sure.
Please save it.
Yes, yes, done. Okay.
Is the email ID is the same one? etechnologies.info. Is this
Yeah. etechtechnologies.info. Already you have it.
okay?
So for the classes, as mentioned, the mail till it was like starting from the 12th of December.
Yeah.
Like, do we have any batch will be starting soon? Because I guess 12 will be 2 weeks from now. Somewhere like 2 or 4.
Mm. Mm.
So, like,
I need to check with eTech.
okay,
Okay.
okay,
I'll update you.
okay, sure, sure, sure. So, like, you will be
Yeah.
updating in that group, right?
Yeah, in group.
Okay, sure, sure.
Okay.
Yep, sure.
Ma'am,
Mm.
currently I'm looking for job, so please let me know if you have any jobs on
Yeah,
automation.
sure, sure, Sharma.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone? I mean, any queries?
Um, no, I guess.
Manikanta? Manikanta is not responding.
Yep, I guess.
Ma'am, am I able to know?
Yeah. So do you
Yeah,
have any
ma'am.
queries?
Yeah, no, I'm done. I'm good to go. Definitely get back to you through eTech.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you for participating in today's masterclass. We hope you gained useful insights and felt inspired. At eTech, we are help you to start a successful career in data management. So enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you so
guys.
much. Have a
Nice
good day.
talking to you. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, please do. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, just let us know about the class batch, like is it before like 12, if there's any batch, please update on
Yeah,
that.
sure, sure. Sure, Tarun. I'll update you as early as possible.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank you so much then. Yeah.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Tarun.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Thank
Good
you,
day.
everyone. Thank you,
Bye.
Sharma. Thank you,
Bye.
Manikanta.
Bye, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for
Bye.
participating.
Thank you.
Good
Thank you.
night.
Good night. Yeah.
Take care.